कोई कार्यक्रम
haven't been able to go to Doha because they've not got visas. What's the update on that?
Okay. Over here. Yeah. One by one. Sorry, Siddharth. Welcome to you.
Sir, Pranay Upadhyay, ABP News से. Sir, चाइना, जापान, साउथ कोरिया, यहाँ पे कोविड के केसेस बहुत तेजी से बढ़ रहे हैं. क्या हमारे डिप्लोमेटिक मिशन के बारे में आप कुछ बता सकते हैं कि वहाँ तो कोई इन्फेक्टेड नहीं है? व्हाट इज द स्टेटस अबाउट
चाइना
मिशन? हाँ, चाइना,
जापान,
साउथ कोरिया.
Sir, times now.
Yeah, please. Go ahead.
Can you tell us what the situation in Uzbekistan is vis-a-vis those 18 children who have died, allegedly because they took medicine?
Sorry, what is the question on this? So, sorry, could you repeat your question?
You know that 18 children in
Yeah, I understand what you're referring to. What was the initial part? I missed it.
Has the Uzbek government been in touch with the MEA? Has the MEA done anything vis-a-vis the trials that are going on, which the Ministry of Health is involved in, and what are we going to tell the Uzbeks?
Okay. There was one more question. Hold on. Let me start with you. I saw your hand in the first round. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, Siddharth.
So my question is on Maldives. We saw that there was a threat by someone in the opposition who said that there should be an attack on the Indian High Commission. We also saw action by the Maldivian authorities. What's the response by the Indian government, and have you raised the matter with the Maldivian side?
Let me go around first this round of questions, and I'll come back. I think a few more queries. Look, शैलेंद्र जी, आपका प्रश्न था पाकिस्तान में. देखिए, ये स्पेसिफिक इंसिडेंट पे मेरे पास डिटेल कोई रिपोर्ट नहीं है, इसीलिए मैं उसमें कमेंट नहीं कर पाऊंगा. पर मैं कहना चाहूंगा कि हमने पहले भी कहा है, बार बार कहा है कि पाकिस्तान अपने अल्पसंख्यकों को, इन माइनॉरिटीज का ख्याल रखें. इनका जो सेफ्टी, सिक्योरिटी और वेलबींग जो उनकी जिम्मेदारी है, ये उनकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, इस तरह पूरी तरह निभाएं इसको. तो मैं उसी को दोहराना चाहूंगा आज. और ये इंडिविजुअल केसेस पे मैं नहीं कह पाऊंगा, जैसे मैंने कहा, डिटेल्स में मेरे पास है नहीं. हमने कुछ रिपोर्ट्स देखी हैं इसके बारे में. यशी, ऑन द इशू ऑफ द 8 इंडियन हु आर इन डिटेंशन इन Qatar. Let me reiterate what we've been saying. We are seized of the matter. Our embassy is actively pursuing this case. You mentioned about the family members, not being allowed to get a visa. No, we are trying to facilitate that. I understand family members who are in Doha have been those who are here to go. The update that I have is that today we got our second consular access. Our embassy officials were able to meet the detainees and ascertain their well-being. And of course, we will continue to extend all possible consular assistance in this case. प्रणय, आपका क्वेरी एक्चुअली मुझे ठीक से समझ नहीं आया, क्योंकि देखिए, कोविड या नहीं, मैं ये ऑब्वियसली नहीं बता पाऊंगा आपको ना. मैं आई थिंक फॉर प्राइवेसी रीजन, जैसे मैंने कहा कि वहां पे डिपेंडिंग ऑन द लोकल सिचुएशन, पिछली बार भी यही कह रहे थे, वी वुड एक्सपेक्ट कि वो लोग हेल्थ प्रोटोकॉल्स फॉलो करें. वहां पे कोविड का प्रकोप है, और जो जिस तरह से मेजर्स, लोकल मेजर्स जो ली जा रही हैं, उसको फॉलो करें. इससे आगे मैं डिटेल्स नहीं जाना चाहूंगा. आपने देखा होगा कि अभी जैसे मैं आ रहा था, आई थिंक सिविल एविएशन अथॉरिटीज ने नई गाइडलाइंस लगाई हैं आरटीपीसीआर पे, तो वो आपने देखा ही होगा. Srinjoy, regarding you asked about the Uzbekistan, again I didn't get your question. You basically, did they raise it with us, and that kind of story. This is of course related to the case of unfortunate deaths of some children in Uzbekistan. Look, we've seen media reports of this in this regard, of this unfortunate deaths of I think 18 children, as far as we see from the media reports. They appear to have taken place over a period of about 2 months, as per Uzbek authorities. We also understand that the Uzbek authorities are investigating this case, including whether there's a possible link with a cough syrup allegedly manufactured in India. We have also seen the press release that was issued by the Ministry of, I think, Health a little while ago. Uzbek authorities have not formally taken up the matter with us. Nevertheless, our embassy has contacted the Uzbek side and is seeking further details of their own investigation. And of course, we understand that legal action has been initiated by the Uzbek authorities against some people, including the local representative of the company there. And in that context, of course, we are extending necessary consular assistance to those individuals or individuals. And of course, I could just reiterate what the Health Ministry has put out a little while ago, which was that they have, been in contact between the drug regulators in Uzbekistan and here. And I understand inspection of the facilities of this company in Noida was being carried out as per protocol, and that I know they are looking into it in terms of further investigation of the cough syrup. Siddhant, as regards the comment I think you made regarding Maldives, look, you would have seen the statements issued by the government of Maldives, as well as by other political parties in Maldives, condemning this. I think it was a tweet.
Well, that's the press briefing by the MEA. My colleague Shireen is joining us on the broadcast. Shireen, help us understand the key facets, the key pointers being made by the officer concerned at that press briefing.
Well, as far as the Uzbekistan cough syrup matter is concerned, already we have seen that the Health Ministry has said that they are investigating the case. And apart from that, the drug regulator of India, which is the CBSCO, is also in touch with Uzbekistan in this matter. As of now, Uzbekistan in their in fact statement has been saying that overall 18 children have in fact died allegedly because of the cough syrup which has been made by Marico Biotech.
Yeah.
Now, the point here is that they have been mentioning that there is in fact glycol, ethylene glycol, which is present, which is a contaminated cough syrup. Now, the government of India is closely monitoring the situation. They are also working close in connection with Uzbekistan to really understand what is really the cause of the death of these children, whether it's actually the cough syrup or not. We already know that the sample of this cough syrup has in fact been collected and they have been sent to the regional drug regulatory lab to see whether to determine what is really the cause of the death in these children.
Shireen, what kind of concerns the country of Uzbekistan has raised with us here in India?
The Uzbekistan government, in fact, in their report has been saying that these 18 children allegedly have consumed DOX-1 cough syrup, which is made by Marico Biotech. Now, this is, in fact, a Noida-based company. They have been saying in this cough syrup, there has been contaminated material, which is the ethynyl glycol, same kind of material that was was present in the cough syrup in Gambia. Now, they have been saying they believe that this is the cause of the death of the children. But even when you see the case of Gambia, we have seen how the DCGI has clarified that death of these children was not caused by the cough syrup. Now, we have to, of course, wait for the test results that are being conducted at the moment. We have to see what really is the incident that has happened in Uzbekistan. But at the moment, both the countries are closely working to know what exactly is the cause of the death.
Thank you, Shireen, for getting us all the details on that important story. We have